add some coolness to your native palette. I am here with Sisyrinchium, the blue-eyed grass. This one's kind of a soft lavender blue. I'm not sure if the color is going to show quite right, but this is a small native that looks delicate, that's pretty tough. It has grassy foliage and comes up with this delightful sprinkling of flowers on the top between winter and spring. It can take sun to partial shade. This is an area that's shaded at the moment, but it's full sky the other part of the day, so it's definitely half a day's sun. So very easy, native, perennial, and it can reseed itself and spread a little bit, not as a nuisance, but as a beautiful kind of a meadowy kind of a plant. So Sisyrinchium, blue-eyed grass, to add some coolness to your native palette. Hi, thanks for joining me. If you found this video interesting or informative, or you think that other people might, please give me the thumbs up or subscribe on my YouTube channel. That way I'll know, and other people will know, that this is a good thing. There's a lot of treasures to explore out there, and it's fun to share them.